Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So this DIY is inspired by KashDoll. She's a rapper. So I saw her making this money wings. I think 8 months ago. I filmed and recorded this video, but I just never posted. So I had the wings still left in my closet. So I was like, why not post the video? So in the clips that I just showed you guys before, she actually used real money and then just fold it underneath the wings. If you guys want to see how she does it, you can just go on her Instagram, and it's in that little box up there where you can just click and watch it. But I'm poor. I can't be doing all that. So I got some fake money from Amazon, and I also got the wings from Amazon. And all I'm gonna do is just use my hot glue gun. I was just gonna say E60 glue. You can use the E60 glue if you want. Just leave it overnight for everything to dry. But I was too lazy, so I just used my hot glue gun. She does a glue on a little bit up the top because you're gonna need to layer it. So you just lift up the money and just keep on layering it, layering it, layering it. So I just glue on a little bit up top, place it down, placing the money to the front, not the money, placing the head so you can see whichever guy is on the $20 bill. Just place him up front, and then that's basically the whole video. Just gluing it on to the front, gluing it onto the back. I end up leaving the little feather up top because it looked cute and I wanted mine to resemble hers as much as possible, so I left the feathers just the way that they are. And just like that, just adding on a little glue and press it on. I wouldn't recommend pressing it on because you can actually burn the feather because the glue is very hot. So just place it down just the way it is. It won't fall off or anything like that. You can press it on if you want, but I'm not saying you're going to be burning your fingers. So just a little FYI. Yeah, this took like good 35 minutes. Quick and easy. It's cute. That's basically it. Ba, ba, ba. The reason why I didn't post this video earlier is because when she first styled it, she just wear the wings alone, and I'm like, I can't do that. I need actual clothes to wear with it. So I found this really cute dress. I was like, might as well, since now when I'm gonna post this video, it's gonna be October the 1st. And why not just do something cute for Halloween? And this is what I was talking about earlier about layering the money. Just lift up the money, the first layer, and then just place it underneath it. Make sure that you have some room so that you can still see the guy that's on the money. And yep, this is basically the whole video. Ooh, the E60 glue dry really fast, so I recommend just adding on a little bit, placing the money down, and just finish adding on the glue. Because when it starts drying, then you have to peel off the why do I keep on saying E60 glue? You're gonna have to peel off the glue and then redo it. So even though I'm just layering it on just like that, I end up having to go over it again because I wasn't going fast enough. I wasn't adding on the glue fast enough and then placing it down. So yeah, this is how it looks. I did the front of it. It looks so cute. If you want your money to stick up, just fold over the first layer. Just fold it up and then it's gonna stick out and look really cute, just like how the left side look. And that's how the front look. No, that's not the front, that's the back. And this is the front. I'm just gonna do the exact same thing that I was doing before. Just add it on. And this is how I styled it in the beginning. Before, I don't know if you guys remember, but I made a whole money outfit, a money top, and the skirt. So I just put on the top, and then a pair of jeans, and then I just add on the wings. Don't know why I did that. I just wanted to feel a little extra, little money extra. So I guess that's why I did it. But this was just way too much. Then I was going to put on a crown. I was like, no, that is just way too much money. So I ended up going with something a little less, I guess you can say, Little simple. Simple, simple. That's how it looks. It looks so cute. I'm glad that I made it. And yep, that's it. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. That's a really nice jeans. I wonder where they are. Hmm. I should have added some money onto the side so that it could look better. But yeah, I end up pairing it with this little black dress. I think it will look cute with a white dress, a little short white dress, or a green. I don't know, but this is how I styled it. So yeah, I really, 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 really hope you guys love this video. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video, because I'm going to be doing a lot of Halloween inspired, celebrity inspired stuff for Halloween. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, and I will see you whenever I see you again. Bye. Bye 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 bye. I'm just gonna sing you guys a little song because I don't have any music to use, so just listen to me harmonate. Didin, 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 dun 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 dun. Okay, that's it. We're just not gonna be using any music, so just enjoy this peace and quiet.